Welcome back to another YouTube video, guys. Today we just got in a very special car. You're not going to want to miss this today. We got in a 2020 SVJ Roadster yesterday. My brother went to the customer's house to pick it up. I wish we were able to get that on camera. That would have been awesome to take you guys for the ride to get that, but it's here now. So let's check it out. It's in a very rare color combination. The car is absolutely flawless, and we actually probably have a customer coming in today on it. Check it out. Look at that lineup.
Mansory 812 or SVJ? Let's go.
Damn!
SVJ.
SVJ for me.
Yeah, SVJ.
SVJ for me, for sure.
Flames. It's the flames.
It's the flames, yeah. Backing up with the doors. Ooh.
That's insane.
Damn.
The merch is hot.
It's crazy. Crazy. What do you guys think today? What do you guys think of the heat? The heat is on one today. Man, we have two customers on the SVJ right now. So a customer coming in to trade in an STO, and we have another customer coming in maybe today. We're not sure. This might be sold by the end of the day. At the end of the day today, I've been having everyone ask me for SVJs recently. This kind of came in perfect timing. Damn, there we go. Look at that, man. That is some fire right there. Which one would you guys pick? The 812? The 812? What do you think, John? Or the SVJ? Mansory or SVJ?
Tough pick. Probably SVJ.
Is it a tough pick, though?
I really don't think they're comparable, though.
Yeah, they're not
completely two different personalities.
Yeah. Yeah, I didn't drive the SVJ yet.
Go with it.
Let's go. Holy shit! What the absolutely insane, bro. Crazy.
I don't know if you guys can tell, but my hair is
You got a 10 just from sticking your head out the window.
What is this? Yo, that's crazy.
Bro, dude, this was the craziest drive I've ever been on my entire life. Finally, I've driven an SVJ to its completion, bro. Dude, I've never...
Everybody needs an SVJ.
Dude, it's insane, bro. Everyone needs one of these things. Dude, we have I probably had like 10 people hit me up for an SVJ, like in the last week. It's absolutely insane. I've never driven anything like it in my entire life. That was wild. There's nothing like this. Not even a Tesla Model X Plaid.
Can you stop comparing it to Can you stop comparing this car to a Cybertruck?
Insane, bro.
Please.
That was insane. I want to see how the 812 drives, but
812 is insane.
dude, this is crazy, bro.
But
It's much funner, though.
It's different, though.
Dude, now I understand why people put exhausts on these, though. Like, the last one we had was nice, but
So muted.
Yeah.
it's muted, yeah. That was crazy.
Yeah,
You don't
what's
gotta
up?
tune it. You don't gotta do anything. Just an exhaust.
Just an exhaust,
Downpipe
right?
exhaust, yeah.
No,
It's
it's
crazy, bro. Craziest drive I've ever been in my entire life. So now we have to have an SVJ in stock all the
I don't
time.
think
Dude, I'm like
buy one,
shaking,
get one,
bro.
have
I don't think I can work today.
Yeah.
I don't think I can.
You feel like your adrenaline.
I'm
is
like pumping right
I couldn't
now.
sleep last night.
Dude,
I couldn't sleep
oh
last
my
night.
gosh.
Dude, did I shoot some big flames?
Yeah, you
Did you
did.
get it on camera? Yeah.
Yeah, we got a lot of flames. Bro, you could feel the flames coming out of the car when you shoot them. God. Mark here, he's selling us the 2002 Porsche 911 Carrera, yellow, convertible right there. Mark, how does the top work?
Great.
Great.
Yeah, it's never given us a problem. It's
Okay.
it's also a navy blue top, not a black top, which is a little unique to the car. You know,
Way better than red top.
I
Way
have
better
seen
than
a
the
red
red
one.
top.
Have you seen a red
Blue,
one?
I'm just saying blue is a better color than red
Ketchup and
for a
mustard.
top, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, it would be like McDonald's if it had a red top. Anyway, all right, so let's go circle the car again.
Okay.
And let's see what we can do for you and see if we can buy it.
Was the IMS bearing done?
It's manual. Do they still have the bearings?
So
The IMS bearings? Have you done the IMS bearing on the car?
Don't even know about it.
2002.
So you got this bumper screw popping out, no big deal. I just noticed you had some touch up on the back of it.
Yeah. I did that. I did the touch up
Right here, yeah.
after I bought the car. The front splitter is got a little road rash, curb rash
Yeah,
to it.
yep. I mean, it's a nice car.
Car's pretty clean.
Yeah, appreciate you bringing it in.
Yeah.
Looking at it here on another platform too, so yeah,
I mean, I think the selling point on the car, George, is
Yeah.
the ultra low miles for the year.
yeah, it has some low miles. I mean,
Yeah.
there's 25 comps in the country. Some are listed for 25, as you probably have seen. Would 17? I mean, you're looking for 20. You told me.
Looking for 20, but I think, especially after seeing what your calculator came back at this morning, you know, I could convince the wife to really give some serious consideration to an 18 number.
18 number. Okay.
But I don't want to cave much more than that. I'd almost take a chance and sell it myself in the high net worth area that we
Yeah.
live in. So
The only thing I don't like is on the Carfax.
Yeah, I don't
know why. They probably fat fingered it, but it was recently reported at 64,000 miles, and that was reported at the New Jersey Motor Vehicle Department, and it just flags a mileage inconsistency there on the Carfax at the bottom. But it's probably nothing. It's just the hardest place to get it fixed, to get a mileage error fixed, is when it's at DMV.
Oh, really?
So I'm gonna have to deal with getting that fixed.
Wonder why.
Sure, I mean, listen, probably they just fat fingered the number or something like that when they typed it in. She wouldn't consider 17 because my calculator actually came back at 16.9.
I'm dealing with a smart spouse, and she's going to ask me, you know.
Yeah. So, here, I'm just going to show you how it is.
Yeah.
So the 16.9 is the offer you got from us, and that's not deducting anything on the condition report. So here's the condition report, the body. That's not touching any of this stuff and deducting it. So the 18,200 is a target auction number. So that's basically what I would, if I were to take it to the sale, 18.2 would be like my target profit, like hit number to hit in the auction. Do you think she would consider 17.5?
I'll talk to her.
Okay.
I'll talk to her tonight. Yeah.
Okay.
That's all I can do. Is,
Okay.
you know, it's the opportunity cost of our time to sell it private party.
Exactly.
That we're trying, but at the same time, if she wants me to sell the car, I'll say, okay, well, this is.
She wouldn't tell you to sell it now?
She may say, just go ahead and do it.
Okay. Is it worth seeing if she would do it this time, or you just want to go home and think about it?
Well, it's not a matter of me thinking about it. She's in big pharma. She's
Okay.
virtually unreachable during the day. She runs oncology for a big international pharmaceutical company.
Okay. All right.
So it's not.
Okay.
We're not going to lose an opportunity with you over
Okay.
over
All right.
Probably, you know,
Yeah,
what's going to be $1,000.
$1,000.
$1,000.
Okay.
You know, so
all right. Well,
I'll get back to you. Though.
Did anyone from my team reach out to you when you submit your information?
Alan.
Alan. Okay.
Yeah,
Let me call Alan.
He's the one that said, "Come on down. I'll set you up
Okay.
with George at
Okay.
noon, between noon
All
and
right.
2."
All right. Cool.
Yeah.
We were just test driving a Lamborghini SVJ. So I just saw the message out when I got out of the car. Can you appraise the car at 12? I had no idea what car he was.
Oh.
And then I remember him saying it was a Porsche 911, so this makes sense.
Yeah, this is
All
it.
right, so.
Okay.
All right, cool. Thanks
Well,
for coming in.
That's what I'll do.
I appreciate it. Yeah, thank you.
Pleasure to meet you.
Thank
At
you. Nice
least,
to meet you too.
At least I know name to a face to
Yeah.
a video now.
Thanks.
So,
Thanks.
in all likelihood,
Yeah.
I'll be back.
We'll buy it.
Yeah.
We'll close
Okay.
the deal, all right?
All right, cool.
All right, thanks,
Good
Mark.
meeting you.
Nice to
Thank
meet
you
you.
very much.
All right, so this is the matte black one. You want to check this one out? Yeah, cool. All right, cool. Let's go.
That's amazing. Customer test driving that red one right now.
The red, oh, the rainbow colored one? Oh, wow. Okay, cool. All right, so that's the matte one right there. And then we got the Army, and then I got the gloss. Yeah, we got a lot of lines, bro. A lot of lines of Cybertrucks. Okay, so you put the key right here, right there, and then you're good. And then you want to put the key in the. You're gonna put the key in the phone charger. So see where the phone slot is. Yep. Yep, you're good. Yo, Droopy, you wanna go for a ride with him? You go with him? Me? I'm not going. You go. Here, let me get you a plate. Let me get you a plate. All right, I'm getting ready for the auction tomorrow. I have lane 9. I gotta set it all up. Lane 9 in Manhattan, New Jersey. Seller named Jandis, Auto House. Mike, take over.
All right,
you
I got this.
You gotta stand up,
All right.
get your plate bag, and sell it to the Cybertruck.
All right, let's do it.
All right, they're trading a Lamborghini Urus.
Okay.
I need you to put a number on it.
Okay.
All right?
get
Put the
it.
mic in your
Gotta hold it here.
Yep, hold the mic.
First time.
All right.
All right.
First time we're
Flip
gonna
it in
get your
there.
feet
There we
wet
go.
today.
All right, let's
All
got
right, come on,
this.
Mike.
I was like,
Get to it.
All right, let's do
take
it.
that motherfucker.
Let's do it. All right, come on.
Slap
Come on.
City.
All right,
Slap
got
City,
the energy
baby.
going.
Mike,
Let's
put
do it.
a number on the Urus. You don't have to put a number on it.
I can wait. I don't.
I got it.
Oh, you already did. Okay. All right.
Hey, come out of your mouth.
All right. Hold on. I need to put it on the
They're gonna
garbage.
trash us for comments, bro. They're gonna trash us. Sorry.
Nah, stop it, man. They're gonna love
That's why
me.
you need to start training jiu-jitsu.
They love me. Stop it. This is the one you're gonna take out? Yeah. All right. I'm Mike, by the way. It's nice to meet you, man. What's your name?
Ash.
Ash. Nice to meet you, man. Did George get a copy of your guys' license already?
I don't think I'm gonna drive it. I'm gonna just,
Oh, no?
we just gonna talk numbers. Yeah, it's
Are you
not
sure?
bad drive.
All right. I mean, it's a unique drive. You know, it's definitely a part of the whole experience is the drive, just because of the dashboard, the drive-by-wire, and all that stuff. But you sure you don't need to drive? You want to get right to the numbers? All right, man. We can do that. That's fine. Yeah, no problem.
The keys
All right.
is in there.
They're in there already?
Yeah.
Okay, no problem. We can do it like that. That's fine. I'll meet you right inside. Give me 1 sec. All right. So we'll get right to the numbers. They don't want to drive. That's all right. Not everyone needs to drive it.
You want to go look at the car real quick? Yeah, let's go look at the car. All right. It's got 23s, baby. Got a nail in the tire. You know you got a nail in here? Yeah. Damn. Look at that. Damn. Smells like a Urus. Lamborghini Uruses have like a distinct smell. Dude, aren't I taller than this guy? Aren't I taller than this guy?
He's got a gangster.
He's got a gangster lean. Damn. Let's do this.
What do we got?
We have Droopy and his boy buying a Cybertruck, trading in a Lamborghini Urus 2020 with 16,000 miles on it. We're giving him 173 for the Urus. And we're doing
Hey, put an extra 0.
99
You gotta drop that price.
Yeah.
for the Cybertruck.
You gotta drop that price on the Cybertruck.
All right, have a seat.
Have a seat.
Have a
We need
seat.
to
Have
order
a
some
seat.
pizza.
That's
Have a
what
seat.
I want.
What do you want?
Oh, he pulled out the
Man,
calculator.
we got the calculator now.
I don't even know how to use this shit.
Let's push this right here. There you go.
Do this for the Cybertruck.
95? No.
Yeah, do that for the Cybertruck.
No.
And get 173.
No. I'll do 170 in 95.
Huh?
I'm really not going.
Yeah.
So basically, he's saying 92.
Why? Why do you want to do that? No, we'll do 99. We'll do 99. 99, and didn't we strike a deal on the phone before you came in?
You said come look at them.
Come look at it. Damn. All right.
Or you got one 30,000 miles.
What?
The blue one, 30,000 miles. You asking?
Which blue one? The other
yours
blue
you
one?
got.
Listen, all right?
Do 96.
Let's do
96.
98. Come on. 98.
95, bro.
95? No.
I got.
No, man, no.
Do 96.
No, not
I'll
96.
put the other 1,000 out of my pocket. Put 96.
98, 98.
Put 96.
98. 98. 98 is good. 98 and 173. We're good.
98 and 174.
No.
Yes. We need another
Droopy,
$1,000.
come on.
Droopy,
What's-
come
We need
on,
another
man.
$1,000.
man.
What? We asking for $1,000.
Yo, we're talking.
You got a nail in the tire. There's a nail in the tire. I'm serious. We'll do 173 and we'll do 98.
Good, that's
97.
98!
97.
98.
He put his hand 97.
There's a tire. Freaking. Fine.
So what numbers are we at?
97 and 173. And a nail in the tire.
Damn, George.
You can, don't take.
Plug the tire.
Plug the tire. It's like
plug a
right in
tire
the
on a
side.
It's not
It's
on
like
the
right in the
side.
side. It's kind of. It's like right. Here's the. It's like right on the line.
Bro, how did you even see that?
I don't know.
We have the eyes for
I
it,
never
man.
even
I honestly, it was
I
just
never
laying.
seen
It was
it.
just laying up there. Can we plug that or no?
Yeah,
you can't, right?
bro. You
Not
can
not on the
plug
sidewall. Not
But
close
it's
to the
not.
sidewall.
It's
It's
not
close,
on the sidewall,
It's
though.
kind of
Close to
close to the sidewall, though.
Yeah. And plus, we don't plug those.
We got
type
that
of
on
tires.
camera?
We got patch them.
Can we plug that? You guys, let me know in the comments. No.
Our cameraman.
Cameraman's shaking his head. Ex mechanic. All right, 173, bro. That's a really good deal.
All right.
And 97.
So,
That's a good deal.
who you
All right.
financing that
Thanks,
with?
bro. Thank you. All right, guys, that's the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed everything. That was a crazy ride in the SVJ. Let us know what you guys think. Should we do more of that stuff, or should we just keep the negotiations? Like, comment, subscribe, guys. Thanks for watching the video. Until next time, peace.